Hi guys, out at Eastville Park again. A little bit cloudy, which might help to keep it cool. There is a bit of a breeze, and the plan is to give this one another go. Now, I was going to do it yesterday out at Yate on Yate Common. It was ideal conditions there, beautiful sunny day and virtually no wind at all, and relatively long grass to cushion its landings. And then I remembered I needed a screwdriver to take the battery compartment apart to get the batteries in it, so I couldn't fly it. So today I've remembered to put a screwdriver in. So we'll see if we can get it flying today. Good job I brought the set with screwdriver with multiple tips. Yeah, that's quite a small bit it needs. Good old Poundland. If I think about it, I might buy another one of these and just leave it in the box. Right, I have mentioned in previous video the batteries both go in the same way round, which is unusual, but it does look like there's a wire goes across the back there, so it is in series. Positive to negative, and then a wire down, positive to negative. I've looked at some videos of people modifying these for radio control, and one way of increasing the dihedral is actually cutting right through where this slot is, so that this spar or strengthener comes right out the bottom, so the wings tilt right up. And I think what you're supposed to do is put these stickers on to hold the spars in place. But I'm going to use a bit of masking tape. And that's it, ready for flying. Now that tail's on quite a tilt. Yeah. Right. Wind is coming from that direction. Okay, well, that gives us some idea of how much wind there is. That button's actually in an awkward position because you've got to push it down to start the motor running, but your hand's in front of the propeller or in front of the wing. I'll give it a bit of right bank this time. Wasn't bad. I think we're going round to the right. I'll try and give it a little bit of left rudder, just to try and open out that turn a bit. You hold it till the motor starts running, then you throw it straight away. Okay, bit too much left rudder then, wasn't it? It's not happy now, is it? It's happier going round to the right. Oh, I might have straightened it up too much. Oh, trying to give it a tiny bit of up elevator as well. How about if I launch it with the wind behind me? Give it a chance to build up a bit of speed before it turns into the wind. That was a bit more effective, wasn't it? So wind behind me, give it a chance to build up some speed under its own power. And that seemed to be okay. It is a bit windy. I should have brought my, is it anemometer? I can't remember. Wind speed indicator. Probably hear the wind noise. Whoa, it's picking up quite a bit now. Kite flying weather. Don't know why that turned left. Give it a little bit more right bank as I launch it. Come on, wind. Could be those batteries are running down. That's what I found last time. A couple of good flights and then you've taken the edge off the batteries and they're not good enough. Yeah, I think that's what that is. One way to find out. Put some fresh batteries in. Lots of people have suggested sticking a LiPo in it. I really don't want to do that yet. I want to see how it should fly as standard. Right, fresh batteries. Wind behind us. No good at all. Try it into the wind. Oh, to the right of the wind. Whoa, too much wind. That's no good. Get the impression those fresh batteries aren't very fresh. Now where are you going? Aiming for the trees by any chance? I gave it a bit of left rudder then, again, and it went left, strangely enough. The wings are flexing an awful lot now. Maybe I've weakened them. Now we're stalling. Oh, nice little glide at the end though. Sun's out. Clouds have cleared. It's getting a bit warm now. It can't handle going into the wind. Because what we're looking at now is carbon fibre strengthening all over it. Stiffen up those wings. Look at it flexing in the wind. That's me rudder. Don't want to lose that. I gave that a good hard throw that time. That didn't help it. wind took that. Look at those wings flex. Whoa, see that wing fold? Don't know if the camera caught that. I think we're asking too much today. Too windy. It's getting very soft. I think the wind is steadily picking up. Last go. And what do we always do when we say last go? We have one more go. I think it's the law. That'll do. It didn't crash, so we'll pack up while it's still in one piece. I remember to bring the mat so that when I take things apart and they drop out, I don't lose them in the grass. So, quick summary. Looks like fresh batteries. It has a fighting chance of flying, but it doesn't want any wind at all. 99p from the charity shop.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.